Batiin nyo naman ang ating mga kaayos.
Hi, mga kaayos! Hi, Faith!
Alright guys, before we talk about your Afternoon Prime series, batiin muna natin ng happy birthday si Clifford!
Thank you guys.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Clifford!
Thank you.
Ang ating mamalakasang birthday cake. Ayan. Alright, Clifford, make a wish.
Yung wish ko for this year ay sana mas madami pang susuporta ng You're My Favorite Song.
Amen.
Amen.
Do you have a message
you.
para sa ating mga kaayos and of
Yes,
course,
of
your
course.
supporters?
Yes. To everyone who went here to support us, Marco, Caprice, Heath, thank you so much to everyone who supported You're My Favorite Song. At sana po mas nadami po kayong susuporta ng You're My Favorite Song dahil mas madami pa po kayong dapat abangan. And syempre, I want to thank everyone, my supporters who are here today. Syempre, I want to thank my All Out Sundays family, Miss Gigi, Miss D, Miss Ruth, Sir Perry, and to my Sparkle GMA Artist Center family, Miss Annette Gozon Valdez, Miss Joy Marcelo, to my manager, Miss Jan Navarro, and to my handler, Kuya Robert. And thank you so much. Faves, we love you all. Thank you so much.
Yeah! Happy
Happy birthday,
birthday, Cliff! At ito na nga, guys. Bukod sa meet cute ni na Angel at Miguel, ano tong nababalitaan ko about a missing Monteverde heiress? Ha?
Oh, malalaman na po kaya natin kung sino ang tatay ni Angel? At kung ano pa ang mangyayari kina Zion, Calix at Miguel tungkol doon sa bucket list ni Lola Savi. Kailangan abangan yon sa You're My Favorite Song.
Yeah. Alright guys, meron mo ba kayong gustong idagdag doon sa sinabi ni Caprice? Baka lang mamaya may mga konting mga hint or mga spoilers kaming dapat abangan.
Magbabakbakan na ba tayo, Miguel?
Bawal daw po kasi nga no
Oo.
spoilers.
Kailangan nilang panoorin.
Spoilers.
Kailangan nilang panoorin.